first make this one. First circle, second circle. Okay. Okay. Now make one line here, one leg, and make that two leg. Okay. Okay. Then make one hand and two hand. Yes. Make it. Okay.
It's looking so fat.
So fat, yeah. Fine. And then make it here one line. Here one line, and here is the eyes. And here is the eyes. Okay, two eyes.
Yes, one has. So which one?
And here make it ear. Here make it ear, okay?
So which one? What is this?
This is a ear, this two ear.
Sir, which character is this, sir?
This is a fat characters I create, sir. Fat character.
Hulk. Sir, is this Hulk or Thanos?
No, not like this. Nose, I make nose like this.
I think this is a, sir, I think this is a fat uncle.
Fat uncle, huh?
Sir, could you take
And I make the mouth.
It is very funny.
It's very
Sir,
funny.
after this step, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, I wait, beta.
Start.
I wait, okay?
Sir, could you wait?
I wait. Done that much, all of you? Can I go? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I can create here. I can create here. Okay. I draw here one leg like this. One. Hi ma'am. Hi ma'am. Tapan here. They shall join tomorrow or evening. Okay. Okay. And yes, ma'am. Tomorrow class. Yes, sir. That's fine. 5 o'clock. Okay, ma'am. 5 o'clock. Okay. Oh. Sure, ma'am. Okay. So now I make the hand. Okay. I make the hand. Yes.
Sir, I do not attend craft classes because I have other classes on Sunday as well.
Okay, beta. No problem. So make this T-shirt like this.
Sir, the baby is coming out.
Okay. Keep silence. Mute yourself and make the dresses like this. See? The collar. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Can you move the...
Yes. I move the hand. Okay. Aram se karo. Make hand like this. Okay. Make hand. One hand. Two hand. This is two hand. Okay. Okay, and erasing this line. Erasing this line, this circle line. Okay.
Sir, can I outline it?
Yes. And make it hand 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Make hand 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Make this line I can erase it. Huh.
ফোনটা সিগারেট খেয়ে খেয়ে
Make it that pant like
আমি
this.
রংকনাকে নিয়ে আসছি
Huh. It's like this, okay, beta? Huh. अच्छा কেন?
শরীর খারাপ
Okay, I make the scenery with this character. First, finish the character.
Sir, could you make any drawings?
Yeah, take time, beta. I just the hair like this, the hair like this, simple hair. Okay.
Sorry, don't place.
It's like a fat man. Okay. आराम से take your time. That character going to that guys are going to school. That the boy going to school or coaching center.
Seems looking like the boy is looking so tired. I don't know tired the boy.
Then I can tell that the class section is going to office.
Okay, going to office you also do this. Make the eyes and make it like this. Okay, eyes. आराम से, okay, slowly do. So fun, no? This is. So I make the scenery over here. Yeah, take first character drawing and make the scenery. I make this very simple scenery. Okay. The characters going to the road. This is the road. You can make the road like this. This is a road. Just a curved line. See, this is a curved line. You make the curved line. Here you can make the grasses. Here make some grasses over here. Okay. Some stone over here. Okay. आराम से some stone over here, grasses. आराम से, okay?
Sir,
Yes, beta. Make some tree over here. Make some tree over here. Make a house over here. One house. One house over here. Okay.
sir, could you show the house?
Eyes is like this. Just oval. One oval. Okay. Make some tree like this. You can make your own scenery also. You can add something.
Oh, it is not like a school. That people do.
Make a cloud. Make cloud. Make sun or birds.
I do it reverse.
Yeah. You can do the river. Make some grasses over here and there.
No, I do it reverse.
Okay, beta. You can do the rivers. Make some scenery like this. Okay, take your time.
I can't reach my animal. Push.
I create the character. You take time, okay? I just keep the character. Yes, beta.
After the show, can we leave?
Yes.
So that's my drawing and done.
Very nice. Three show.
So then done. Can you see?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, Shatya Teja is very good. We can. Yeah. We can. No, just I will have a time more 5 minutes.
I made my own meat.
Very good. Very good. We can make the color of this character. Okay. We can make the character color.
Can I draw my own drawing?
Yes, you can draw your own drawing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can color it. Yeah. We have 5 minutes more, and we can do some color like this. I do outline with this character only. The fat character. Yes, but I wait. Take your time, okay, आराम से. Shani. The homework you put color the scenery, whole scenery. Yeah. So make the color. I do this. Okay, this color for dress. Very nice. Make sure color should be full, no any gap. Yeah. Nandini, can you show your beta?
Fine, sir.
Just a second, all of you. Oh, fine. Nandini, I sent the pictures. You can finish at home. Very good. With full color, okay, Nandini?